luxurious Mediterranean-style home offers magnificent ocean views built upon the dreams of visionaries in this beautifully appointed home that's the embodiment of everything Palos Verdes was designed for. Superior quality and unobstructed ocean views. This luxurious Mediterranean-style home, designed by Louie Tomaro, features an open light and comfortable living environment with magnificent views from almost every room. Make a dramatic entrance through custom double glass doors with exquisite ironwork that flows down the impressive double heart-shaped staircase. Above, a giant dome anchors the top floor with breathtaking volume. With 6 bedrooms and 10 baths, with over 7,800 feet of living space, there's room for family and friends alike. Accented with 9 fireplaces, formal and recreational rooms, this luxurious home exudes warmth and comfort. The accents are highlighted by Venetian plaster, pre-cast molding around the windows, authentic custom eaves, copper gutters, a 4-car garage, and smooth exterior stucco. Each room was designed to maximize volume with high ceilings. Many of the bathrooms are floor-to-ceiling tile, and 2 unique half baths near the entrance captivate their originality. Don't miss the 500-gallon fish tank leading to the abundant wine cellar. But wait until you see the backyard with its masterful infinity pool with steps leading from the home into diamond tiled bliss. The view beyond gives you your own amphitheater to witness the Pacific Ocean's daily moods, stretching from Catalina Island to the Los Angeles Basin.